How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Facebook app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Facebook and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards next solution, what you have to do is launch your Facebook, then head towards the profile page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to this one option given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to the menu page. Once you're in the menu page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now here you're going to find different options. Scroll down. Under preferences, you will find the option of browser. Click on that option. Now click on the option of clear for cookies and cache. Click on clear. Now I can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, what you have to do is head back and click on the search icon, then type in tab bar. After the option appears, click on it. Click on customize the bar option. Now here you will find different available options. Head towards the option marketplace, click on the drop down for it and then set it to pin. With that, you will be able to find the marketplace. Now at the bottom of the screen or at the top of the screen, you'll find different icons. You'll find the icon for marketplace as well. But in the case still you cannot find the marketplace, what you have to do is head towards the menu page. Then scroll down, click on the option of help and support. Click on the option of report a problem. Click on continue to report. Click on include. Now here you're gonna find different feature. Click on the feature marketplace. Now here you have to explain that marketplace is not showing in your Facebook account and you have to send it. With that, Facebook customer service team will get back to you, and with that your problem will be resolved. Applying these solutions, you will be able to find marketplace in your Facebook account. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.